The property sits on 22 acres in the heart of the city. Davey does maintain all green space on the property. We try to create a park-like atmosphere here where people can come and they can hang out in the green spaces. We think it's very important to the city and also as a draw for our customers.
With us being able to self-perform all the services they may need, from snow removal to tree install, anything related to their grounds needs with Davey, that's part of why I think they selected us, because they know that we are a large operation and we have a lot of people and equipment behind us to make sure that we meet our deadlines and their expectations.
Davey has been a great partner. We have very high expectations and Davey matches those. The grass is mowed on time, our beds are always weeded. Just last week we asked them to come and mulch an area because we had some senior leadership coming in and Jack got it done on the spot.
There's not many green spaces in downtown Cincinnati, especially public green spaces, privately owned, that allows the public to go and come as they please.
Out front, we have lots of events for the public, farmers markets, kids' days where we have inflatables out there. We have VIP events out on the event lawn. Yeah, we just try to create some outdoor environment for people to enjoy and have fun.
Our working relationship with Hard Rock, we continue daily to try and improve and see things how they see it, because there's a lot of future growth going on here and we want to keep that relationship open, honest, and growing.
We love what Davey does, we love what Davey's about, we love the communication, we love the service that we get with one phone call. Davey's going to be our partner for a long time.